I'm Olivia Lee, and I was a social media intern at Vestique. During my internship, I created a ton of content, posted to TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram, went live twice a week on TikToks, and steamed a lot of items styled before photo shoots. So how I got this internship is I reached out to Auburn alum Faith Engel-Kameyer, who is the social media coordinator, and I asked her if they offered internships. She said yes. She sent me some prompts to complete. I sent her the prompts back, and I got an interview. 3 weeks after my Zoom interview with Faith and the Chief Creative Officer, Adair, I got my offer letter. What I enjoyed most about the internship was really using my creative side. I also really loved doing the trend forecasting. Here are some visuals of me at work. 3 things I learned are you can't be afraid to try new things. Hard work is how you become successful. And without good buying and good marketing, your company will not be successful. My advice to future interns is use your network, apply to everything, and work hard to impress your boss.